Clean the phone screen and side panels. Remove the cut from the sheet. Make sure all 3 layers are removed. Place the cut over the phone. Check if the alignment is correct. If the alignment is incorrect, lift all 3 layers and adjust the alignment. If the alignment is correct, holding onto the mark sticker, lift the hydrogel from the vertical side to the midpoint and gently push the bottom layer outward using the squeegee. Follow the same procedure on the opposing side. Remove the corner part of the top layer, leaving the hydrogel on the phone. Paste curved corners of the display. Fill out the gap between the display and the side panels. After pasting over the display, paste the side panels. Do the same for the opposing side as well. For both sides, first you have to paste the entire screen, including curves, and then paste the side panels. Using the squeegee, push out the bubble in the corners out. Other bubbles, lines and shades will disappear automatically within 24 hours.